Dricus Du Plessis roasts Khamzat Chimaev and Alex Pereira. Dricus Du Plessis is not going easy on Khamzat Chimaev, a fan tweeted. Khamzat owns you. Don't disrespect King like that, Dricus responded. The king of coughing. Another fan said, you will beat Strickland. After that, you gotta give the belt up to Khamzat or Whitaker. Dricus fired back, saying, only thing I'll give to Khamzat is a visit in the sick kids ward. Du Plessis also had some words for Alex Pereira. I'm not running from Alex. He didn't want to offend the boyfriend, so he said he didn't want to fight me. I'll give him my whole purse if he takes the fight.